Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious collard greens with turkey leg. Start by selecting about 2 pounds of fresh collard greens, ensuring they are crisp and dark green. Next, thoroughly wash the greens under cold running water, paying close attention to remove any dirt or grit. This step is crucial for a clean dish. After washing, remove the tough central stems from each leaf. Finally, stack the leaves and chop them into 1-inch to 2-inch pieces, preparing them for cooking. Now, let's prepare the star of our dish, the turkey leg. Take about 2 pounds of turkey legs and season them generously with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. In a large pot, sear the turkey legs over medium-high heat until they are beautifully browned on all sides. Then, add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until fragrant. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of chicken broth, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits. With the turkey legs and aromatics ready, it's time to add the collard greens. Pile all the chopped greens into the pot. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar for that essential tang. Season with 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a little kick and 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for 2 to 3 hours until the greens are tender. After simmering, carefully remove the turkey legs from the pot. Once cool enough to handle, shred the tender meat from the bones, discarding any skin or gristle. Return the delicious shredded turkey meat to the pot, stirring it into the collard greens. Taste the greens and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or a touch more vinegar if desired. Serve these flavorful collard greens hot, perfect as a hearty side or a comforting main course.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.